Hey everyone, Long here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the beautiful luxury Westin Hotel in Tokyo, Japan. On our trip, we stayed at the Westin 2 separate times. The Westin Hotel is located in Ebisu across from Ebisu Garden. Only a 10-15 minute walk from the JR Ebisu station. When entering the hotel, it's like stepping into a palace. Marble floors, large columns, and very elegant. Once you reach the check-in desk, it has a touch of modernness sprinkled in. Left of the check-in desk is the gorgeous lobby lounge. In the mornings, you can enjoy breakfast that has a mix of Western and traditional Japanese food. And in the afternoon, you can enjoy afternoon tea. The Westin offers many amenities such as 8 restaurants and bars, spa, meeting space, fitness center, gift shop, and more. If you forgot an umbrella when it's raining, no worries. Just ask the doorman and he'll give you one. We booked a double bed guest room. And the first room had a great view of Mount Fuji in the distance. Our second stay, we booked the same double bed guest room, but with Tokyo Tower in the distance. For those who are familiar with Japanese hotels, this is a very spacious 452 square foot size hotel room. In the middle of both beds, you can control all the lights in the room. You have PJs in the drawer, a mini bar, complimentary water, hot water kettle which we made instant ramen with, an espresso coffee maker. There is a fridge underneath the kettle, a closet with slippers, robe, and a safe. The bathroom was very large. There's a standing shower, heated toilet with a bidet, a spacious sink with extra toiletries if you forgot something, and a large bathtub. As much as I love seeing Mount Fuji in the mornings, I really enjoyed our second room overlooking the garden in Tokyo Tower. If you're looking for a hotel that's part of the Marriott family, you won't be disappointed. This is a hotel that I will come back to and recommend to anyone. The Westin Hotel is one of my favorite hotels I've ever stayed at. It was elegant, it was classy, but not too overdone. The location's great and the whole neighborhood and vibe, I really enjoyed that. All the staff at the Westin were great, accommodating everything that we needed, such as water, laundry, shipping our bags from hotel to hotel, everything you would expect at this type of a hotel. But the big thing that stood out to me was their concierge team, who reached out to me about a month before our trip asking if we needed anything. Talking with my wife and our friend, we decided that we wanted to hire a car so we didn't have to deal with our luggage and the train station, everything we've done before in the past. Just something that we wanted to make it easier on our life. They took care of that. They just said, hey, this is where you need to be. Someone will be there to greet you. Here's your car. And I stayed at the St. Regis and the Ritz-Carlton on our trip in Tokyo, and none of the concierge team reached out to us and asked if we needed something like that. So the fact that the Westin did that really left a really good impression on me, and for something that I would say even lower on the price tier compared to those other two hotels, it's something that you just really can't beat. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Westin Hotel in Tokyo, Japan. If you have any comments or questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Catch you on the next one. Peace.